Email marketing remains one of the most powerful tools in digital marketing. While social media platforms come and go, and search engine algorithms constantly change, email gives you direct access to your audience, straight to their inbox. And if you're not using it strategically, you're missing out on huge opportunities to grow your brand, generate leads, and build lasting relationships with your customers. Welcome to SkillCareer.in, where we turn your skills into success. Today we're diving deep into 3 essential best practices for email marketing, strategies that are simple, proven, and can deliver real results for your business or personal brand. Best Practice 1. Build your email list the right way. The first rule of effective email marketing is simple: never buy email lists. It might be tempting to get thousands of email addresses in one click, but here's the truth. Those people don't know you, didn't ask for your emails, and will likely mark you as spam. This hurts your sender reputation and can get you blacklisted by major email service providers. Instead, focus on growing your list organically. Create something valuable that your audience actually wants. This could be a free guide, an exclusive video, a discount code, or access to a webinar, also known as a lead magnet. When people opt in voluntarily, they're showing genuine interest in what you offer. That's the kind of audience you want to build. Also, don't forget to place your sign-up forms in smart places: your website homepage, blog posts, landing pages, and even your social media bios. Make subscribing easy and beneficial. Best Practice 2. Personalization is power. Once someone has signed up, it's your job to make them feel like they made the right choice. One of the best ways to do that is through personalization. This starts with the basics. Use their name in the email. But you can go much further. Use tools that allow you to segment your list based on interests, behavior, location, or purchase history. Let's say you have an online store. You wouldn't send the same product email to someone who bought shoes and someone who only looked at jackets. With segmentation, you send relevant content to each subscriber, and that massively improves engagement. Also, consider the timing of your emails. A study might show that your audience is most active at 10 a.m. on weekdays. Send at that time for better open rates. Email personalization makes people feel seen, and when they feel seen, they're more likely to trust your brand, open your emails, and take action. Best Practice 3. Test, track, and improve. This is the part most people skip, and it's the part that separates good marketers from great ones. You have to test everything. Your subject line, your email design, the call to action button, the day and time you send, even the wording you use, it all matters. Use A/B testing to compare 2 versions of the same email with small changes. For example, try one subject line that's short and catchy, and another that's longer and more detailed. Whichever one gets more opens wins. Over time, you'll learn exactly what your audience prefers. And once you've sent your emails, track your performance metrics. Look at open rates, click-through rates, bounce rates, and unsubscribe rates. If your open rates are low, your subject lines might need work. If your click-through rates are weak, maybe your email content or call to action needs improvement. Constant testing and optimization will help you turn email from a random tool into a strategic engine for growth. Bonus tips: keep it clean, clear, and consistent. Here are a few more quick tips that can really boost your email success. Keep your email list clean. Remove inactive subscribers every few months. This keeps your open rates healthy and your sender score high. Make your emails mobile friendly. Over 60% of emails are opened on phones. Use responsive design and avoid large images that don't load quickly. Stay compliant with email laws. Always include an unsubscribe link, use a reel from address, and follow privacy policies like GDPR or CAN spam. Create a clear email structure. Start with a strong headline, write in short paragraphs, use bullet points where needed, and end with a strong call to action. Be consistent. Whether you send once a week or twice a month, stick to a regular schedule. Consistency builds anticipation and trust. What makes email marketing special? The beauty of email marketing is that it belongs to you. Social media platforms can change algorithms, suspend accounts, or limit your reach, but your email list is yours. It's your direct connection with your audience. You can nurture leads, drive traffic to your website, launch new products, and build a loyal community, all through email. With just a little effort and strategy, your email list can become your biggest asset. Final thoughts. Email marketing with SkillCareer. To sum it all up, the 3 best practices of email marketing are: 1. Grow your list organically, with real people who want to hear from you. 2. Personalize your content, and treat your audience like individuals, not numbers. 3. Test, track, and optimize, because improvement never stops. If you're just starting your digital journey or want to upgrade your marketing game, these 3 principles will help you build stronger campaigns and better results. And remember, at SkillCareer, we're here to help you learn practical skills that you can use in real life to grow your career, your business, and your confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel SkillCareer for more short, practical videos that help you level up, one skill at a time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.